Welcome back to Algebra. Today, we are learning how to convert scientific notation back into standard form. That means taking those numbers with exponents and turning them back into regular numbers. First, let's remember the parts. We have a number, usually between 1 and 10, multiplied by 10 to a power. That little number up top is the exponent. The exponent is the key. It tells us exactly how many times we need to move the decimal point. Here is the golden rule. If the exponent is positive, we move the decimal to the right. This makes the number bigger. If the exponent is negative, we move the decimal to the left. This makes the number smaller, like a decimal fraction. Let's try 2.5 times 10 to the power of 3. Since the 3 is positive, we move the decimal 3 jumps to the right. 1, 2, 3. After moving the decimal, we fill any empty jumps with zeros. So, 2.5 becomes 2,500. Notice how the number got much bigger. Now let's look at a negative exponent. 4.2 times 10 to the negative 2. Because it is negative, we move the decimal 2 jumps to the left. 1, 2. We fill the empty space with a 0. So 4.2 becomes 0.042. The number became smaller. A common mistake is forgetting what to do with the empty loops. Always fill them with zeros. Do not just leave them blank, or your answer will be wrong. Here is a summary. Positive exponents mean move right for big numbers. Negative exponents mean move left for small decimal numbers. Why do we do this? It helps us switch between easy-to-read scientific numbers and the actual real-world values, like the huge distance to the sun or the tiny size of bacteria. Now it is your turn. Pause the video here and try converting these 4 numbers on your own. Good luck!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.